Hello there and welcome to MyBB video for ZiesWeb.com. In this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to create two moderator thread tools that makes junking threads and junking posts a lot easier. This is useful for bigger boards if you have a lot of posts per day and you don't want to spend all your time moving it manually. Okay, so this first of all you can need admin rights to do this. Usually the webmaster will do it, the administrator. I'm going to go to the main area of the MyBB admin panel and we're going to choose a configuration tab. You see down here we have an option called moderator tools. I'm going to click that. And you see here we have thread tools and post tools. First of all I'm going to create a thread tool. I'm going to add a new one and we're just going to call this tool the junk thread. This is the name that will appear in the moderator options in the thread view. Just add a brief description for future reference. Tool to automatically junk a thread. There we go. I want it available on all forums. If you want, you can choose a forum you want it to appear in only. But for now, I want it to appear in all forums because I might need to junk a thread in any of the forums. I'm going to leave the thread. I'm going to leave the thread unapproved, and I'm going to leave it open. It doesn't really matter. You can choose it to close itself if you want, or you can unapprove itself. That doesn't really do much. I'm going to move the thread when I choose to junk it into the junk area. I'm not going to make it redirected. I'm just going to have a straight move. I'm not going to copy the thread. Also, I'm not going to delete it. I'm not going to merge it. I'm not going to delete the polls, or I didn't actually add a redirect, so I don't need to delete it there. The prefix I'm just going to keep as normal. This is going to be the subject of the thread that appears in your junk area, so I'm going to add a prefix onto it like this, called junk. I'm also going to add a new reply. This is whatever moderator or admin junk the thread, they will automatically add this reply onto the bottom of it. So I'm going to put this thread has been junked. There we go. Reply subject, I'm just going to leave it the same as this subject here. Okay, we're going to save that tool. I'm now going to demonstrate how this tool actually works. So I'm going to create a new thread in the test area. Test thread. This is a test of the junk function. Okay, so this might be a spam thread, or it's just a thread you don't really want to appear publicly to your forum anymore. And on the moderator options down here, you can see you have the inline post moderation, and this is for the thread. You should now see at the bottom a new tool has appeared called junk thread. So if we use that, it says it's completed successfully, and you can see now that it's been moved into the junk area and a reply has been added. This thread has been junked. Now that was obviously a lot quicker than moving it manually, telling it not to copy, adding a prefix yourself. Now we're going to do the same thing for a post tool. Go back into the admin control panel and click post tools, and we're going to add a new post tool. We're going to call this post junk automatically junk selected posts. I'm actually just gonna, because you can choose more than one post of junk if you need be. Make it available again in all forums. I'm not going to delete or merge them. I'm not going to unapprove them, but I am going to split them. This is the same as moving a post. I'm going to split it to the junk area. I'm going to leave the thread alone. Let's see here. Again, we're not going to do much with this. This would be the original thread. So if you've junked a post into the junk area, the thread that's remaining is this one, and we don't want to edit that at all. We're just going to leave all these the same. We're not going to move the original thread or copy the thread or delete the normal thread. We're going to new subject of the one you just junked. So again, we're going to add the junk prefix. We're going to add a new reply. This post has been junked. Okay, so we're going to save that tool again. and I'll show you another demonstration at the test area. New thread. I'm just going to quickly add test. I'm going to add another reply called test. Okay, so you've got 2 replies on the thread here. I'm going to choose select post, so this is performing the moderator option. And you'll see here again, custom tools, post junk. I'm going to choose that and select go. And now, in the test area, you can see that if this was another person, their original post would be replaced with this post has been junk message to let other users know that it's happened. So their post has disappeared. And in the junk area, here's the original one. It's been moved into the junk area. So there you go. If you want, you can recap on the video. Thanks for watching. As you can see, ZiesWeb.com is where you'll find a lot more plugins, forum software, BB codes, themes and image resources, and just general chat. It's a forum development and design community. Thank you for watching.